advice on the use of masks in the COVID-19. It is the public interim guidance published by the World Health Organization and read by Shyam Sundar Adi, senior journalist. Background: this document provides advice on the use of masks in the communities during home care and in healthcare settings in areas that have reported cases of COVID-19. It is intended for individuals in the community, public health and infections prevention and control, IPC professionals, healthcare managers, healthcare workers, HCWs and community health workers. It will be revised as more data become available. Current information suggests that the two main routes of transmissions of the COVID-19 virus are respiratory droplets and contact. Respiratory droplets are generated when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Any person who is in close contact within 1 meter with someone who has respiratory symptoms, coughing and sneezing, is at risk of being exposed to potentially infective respiratory droplets. Droplets may also land on surface where the virus could remain viable. Thus, the immediate environment of an infected individual can serve as a source of transmission, contact transmission. World Health Organization has recently summarized reports of transmission of the COVID-19 virus and provided a brief overview of current evidence on transmissions from symptomatic, pre-symptomatic and asymptomatic people infected with COVID-19. Current evidence suggests that most diseases is transmitted by symptomatic laboratory confirmed cases. The incubation period for COVID-19, which is the time between exposure to the virus and symptom onset, is an average 5 to 6 days, but can be as long as 14 days. During this period, also known as the pre-symptomatic period, some infected persons can be contagious and therefore transmit the virus to others. In a small number of reports, pre-symptomatic transmissions has been documented through contact tracing efforts and enhanced investigations of clusters of confirmed cases. This is supported by data suggesting that some people can test positive for COVID-19 from 1 to 3 days before they develop symptoms. Thus, it is possible that people infected with COVID-19 could transmit the virus before symptoms develop. It is important to recognize that pre-symptomatic transmission still requires the virus to be spread via infections, droplets, or through touching contaminated surfaces. World Health Organization regularly monitors all emerging evidence about this critical topic and will provide updates as more information become available. In this document, medical masks are defined as surgical or procedure masks that are flat or pleated, some as shaped like cups. They are affixed to the head with straps. They are tested according to a set of standardization test models, ASTM F2100, EN 14683, etc., or equivalent, that aim to balance high filtration, adequate breathability and optionally fluid penetration resistance. This document does not focus on respirators. For guidance on use of a respirator, see IPC guidance during health care when COVID-19 infections is suspected. Wearing a medical mask is one of the prevention measures that can limit the spread of certain respiratory viral diseases, including COVID-19. However, the use of masks alone is insufficient to provide an adequate level of protections, and other measures should also be adopted. Whether or not masks are used, maximum compliance with hand hygiene and other IPC measures is critical to prevent human-to-human transmissions of COVID-19. World Health Organization has developed guidance on IPC strategies for home care and health care settings for use when COVID-19 is suspected. Thank you for your patience.